quite get what this is here. This is a replica of the Kiss by Auguste Rodin, 1889. And I don't know what's going on here. There's nobody here. Everybody's kind of puzzled as to what's going on. Some people have put money in here. I have no idea what's going on with this statue. Well, who's putting money in? It's a little bit of a mystery. Can't quite figure it out. Another nice street here in Madrid. Bangkok Thai restaurant. All part of the Zona Peatonal. Oh, they just moved. It's not a statue. Okay. Oh, I guess that must be a lot of work staying in that position all the time. Isn't that cool? Wow. I always love the street art in Europe. Well, it's not just in Europe. I mean, it's in every big city. You've got mimes, you've got clowns, you've got living statues. There's more street art happening here. This guy's doing some wheelies. Photos. Oh, I see. He can do a photo with the flamenco dress.